And as you guys know, we do wash chicken. Nobody in the islands ever died of washing chicken, and we don't like dirty chicken.
My name is Apple.
It's really cold. Pepper's Drop Chicken right here. If you need to any time of the night when you're in the area, this is it. You could be outside 5 o'clock in the morning, you realize you're hungry, you get food from here. I'm really serious. So I'm doing another part of my day, and I ordered a nail kit from Walmart, and it just came. So I'm gonna, here's the box, it just came. So I'm gonna open it up with you guys. And if you're hearing like water falling or running in the background, Nathaniel is actually preparing chicken. So I'm gonna show you what he's doing. He's cooking. Okay, so don't mind the water and the stuff in the background. I'm gonna show you what he's doing. But first, let's see. Oh, this is really hard. I think I need a knife or something. But you know what? I'm strong enough. Yeah. Oh, the stuff in the background. I make earrings and stuff, so that's what you see in the background. Don't mind that. So here is the one. This is what I ordered. It's supposed to come with the gel light, as well as some nail polish. So let's see what comes in it. I went to Starbucks earlier on, and I got a white peach green tea lemonade. But instead of the water, I tell them replace the water with the mango dragon fruit base. So it's the white green tea lemonade with mango dragon fruit base. Okay, tastes really good. Okay, so let's go back to this. Oh, this is really small for some reason. For some reason, I know, yeah. But for some reason, this is what comes in the thing. This is what it is. Okay. It has a really high scent of acetone. It smells really strong, like of acetone. Okay, maybe something was falling inside here. Oh, that's why it was smelling so strong of acetone. See? Oh, something wasn't closed properly. Oh, the curry. You could put a little curry in it. Although it's not curry chicken, but just for a little flavor. A different flavor. You can season it. We season chicken sometimes with. So I'm gonna show you the ones I'm taking out. Something wasn't closed properly and was peeling. You see that, guys? What seasoning you're using? Okay, so just use that and that. I'm speaking to Nathaniel because he's seasoning the chicken now. He just finished washing it out. And as you guys know, we do wash chicken. Nobody in the islands ever died of washing chicken, and we don't like dirty chicken. So we clean our chicken. No, don't put the salt. Don't put salt, because you could always as it cooks, you could always adjust the flavor of it. Adjust the salt. Yeah, put some of that. You have the green seasoning. You guys know the green seasoning from the Caribbean? We have the chef green seasoning, so we use that if you didn't mix your own. Can you see Nathaniel in the kitchen, guys? There he is. Oh, you're gonna cut something. There he is in the kitchen. He's seasoning up his meat. See, I did good as a mother. Look at him. Okay, so here, see, this is what happened. So this one, the one that was, oh, the nail primer, it says gel primer. That's the one that spilled. Can you see where it says that? Somewhere there. See if I can focus it. Anyway, it's not being focused, but the gel primer. Look at the small bottle of nail polish that they send you. But anyway, I think, no, I paid $20-something for this set, if I'm not mistaken. They could have sent me a little bit more something in it, but that's okay. Anyway, once it works, I can always, I'm gonna try it out in a little bit. I'm gonna let you see. And we're gonna review it together. So we're gonna see. So here is the gel light. This is the one for your fingers to go under. This here is the gel cleanser. I don't know, whatever that is. This is the gel primer. See how much of it? Oh, more than half of it. Oh, sorry, more than half of it is spilled out. And then this one is the color gel polish in this color, and this one is the gel base top coat. So this is the clear top coat. Okay, so we are gonna see we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna get my nails all prepped, try it out and stuff. You're gonna see the finishing work of Nathaniel. Nathaniel, you're gonna bake the chicken?
What?
Let's look at Nathaniel now. Okay, so Nathaniel is there and he's cleaning up the he spilled something.
I don't even know what this is called.
Huh?
What do you call this thing?
That's the hood of the
It's a fan thing.
yeah, the hood of the stove.
I know it sucks up the smoke.
You know, to yeah, they know what that is. He's cleaning that up, okay? Yeah, you see the green bowl right there, guys. He just this is the meat Nathaniel finished seasoning. He used some adobo. He used the all-purpose one with the pepper, and he used the green seasoning. He also used the paprika. Okay, guys. He washed his meat with vinegar. Well, you don't have to if you don't want to with vinegar. You could just wash it. Once it's washed, in my book, it's better than eating chicken that is not, or any kind of meat that is not. Okay, so we're gonna show you back what Nathaniel cooked. All right. Okay, guys, you know what, I need to clean up my area here. I need to organize it. Nathaniel said he wants to stew his chicken, so we're gonna show you the process in which he used. We're gonna use the process that I know from back home, which is you burn the sugar to make the coloring, and then you're gonna stew it. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys that. I'm also gonna prep my nails for trying out the sensational, for trying out this kit that I just ordered. I'm gonna prep my nails and stuff, meaning that there's probably a little bit of clear polish on my nails, so I'm just gonna clean that off and file it and stuff, and then we're gonna try out and see if this works. Okay, this is just me telling you guys about what I ordered. It's not like I'm being paid to tell you about it. So we're gonna see how this one worked out, and we're gonna find out how Nathaniel food comes out. Okay, so this pot is really hot. Let's load the stove down. Can you guys see? This pot is really hot. Okay, so we're gonna put, we don't want to use too much. We don't want to process. I'm gonna show you it when it finished burning and what we do. Okay, so guys, this is it here. We put in I'm gonna show you the seasoning that Nathaniel put in. Okay, Nathaniel put some water in now. Put the cup with water. Put another cup with water. Put another of that cup with water. I'm gonna show you the seasoning that he put in after. This is what we use. 3 cloves of garlic. So we use 3 of these garlic. We use the 1 shallot. We use about 4 cloves, the real clove, the clove spice. So this is it. We use 3 of these pimento peppers, and then we use some thyme. Okay guys, so Nathaniel food has been finished. This is his stewed chicken. This is his stewed chicken. He did good. He did good. Look at his face. He did good. Nathaniel, tell them. Nathaniel is eating the rice.
Do you like? I want to taste it.
So this is the rice. This is the rice. He did well. The rice is fluffy. He did his jasmine rice thingy. So he did well. This is the stewed chicken. He's gonna plate himself some. How is it, Nathaniel?
It is fabulous.
I am finished with doing my nails. I prep it, I clean it and everything. And here is the end results. Here it is. I think it's pretty good. Actually, yeah, it's a really good. I really like how it looks. I like the end result. I like maybe yeah, the color. I don't even mind the color. I like it. So I would recommend it. So if anybody wants to get their own gel kit, if anybody wants to get their own gel kit, here is the name. Sensation. Let me see, what's it called? Sensational. Sensational. Okay, so this is the one. This is what you get. When you put your hand underneath it, the light comes on. See, guys? Pull it out, it comes out. One hand at a time. So I'm really happy with the result. And by the way, you guys, you saw the food that Nathaniel cooked. So I'm happy. So thank you again. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching this vlog, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, share with everyone you know. Share this video and like and subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. Bye, guys. How is it, Nathaniel?
It is fabulous.